सो वेलकम टू माय फर्स्ट एवर ट्रैवल ब्लॉग। दिन जमस करके क्या होता है? Orchid Garden, strangers, called one of the most beautiful one. Rupees 370 here. There is no washroom. And yeah, let's go. That's a rainbow. It's actually nice. मैं अब तक मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा लेट हो चुकी हूँ, so let's just leave. Har Har Mahadev. Yeah, I'm going for my first ever solo trip to explore Tawang, Arunachal Pradesh with a pack of strangers. Through a tour and travel agency though, so the details of this package are in the description box if you need it. Now let's go. Our first stop was for breakfast at Khetri, where I had my safe go-to breakfast, a plain butter dosa, which costed me 199 rupees, and a cup of coffee for 89 rupees. And little fit check later, we resumed our journey towards Arunachal Pradesh. ये थोड़ी देर पहले हमने भालुकपोंग क्रॉस किया and right now we are at Orchid Garden. So I just got to know here that Arunachal Pradesh is known as the orchid paradise of India, and this place alone houses thousands of orchid plants with over 500 species from across the region, and they're all so beautiful. And from here we also got to witness the beautiful West Coming River flowing beside the lush orchid jungle around it. Then a few kilometers ahead, we stopped for our lunch here at this hotel called Sessa Hotel at Sessa only, West Kameng district. And this was a very homely chicken thali that costed me 250 rupees. And then we resumed our journey to Dirang, but on the way, stop at a bridge here. It's a random unknown bridge. I don't know the name. It just looked very pretty on the way. So we stopped there, clicked pictures. You're hearing all of this in voiceover now क्योंकि तब तक मैं इतना comfortable नहीं हुई थी कि नो लोगों के सामने बस फोन निकाल के ब्लॉग करना स्टार्ट कर दूँ. ऐसे भी ब्लॉगर हूँ नहीं, बनने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. Then we stopped at this mandir, Nag Devta Mandir on the way. And it was really beautiful and peaceful inside. Then we finally reached the Dirang market. All local people get their daily essential stuff from here, so nothing fancy, just a normal market. So I guess it's 6:30 around now and we just reached Dirang. We are staying at this homestay called Tanzing Homestay. 3 of us girls shared this room, nothing luxurious, but honestly it was very clean and cozy. Then we helped our host prepare the dinner. We just had our dinner now and we are going to bed. And the chills. But can you hear the background cracker sound? Yeah, there is a festival today. Like most of the town is closed because this is like the Buddhist New Year called Losar. It's actually nice. So yeah, that was all for today. We'll meet you tomorrow. Guys, good morning. So now we just got ready and we are about to leave for Tawang in some time. So yeah, let's go. Before leaving, we had breakfast prepared by our host and then roamed around the homestay for a bit, just admiring the pretty aesthetics of living in Arunachal Pradesh. And then we headed to our first location for the day. We are at Dirang Monastery and it's called one of the most beautiful one. Let me show you. Then we resumed our journey towards Sela Pass while having the sweetest oranges that our host hand-plucked for us from Sangti Valley. We're about to reach Sela Pass. It's a little cold. It's getting colder now. And we stopped here at Baisakhi for 10 minutes because there is no washroom in the top. So we'll go to washroom, take some break, have some food maybe. This is the army cafeteria at Baisakhi run by the Indian Army. Then we continued our way to Tawang. We just reached Tawang now. This is the gate. Welcome to Tawang. The weather is quite bright. आउट हियर तो सारा स्नो सूख गया है, थोड़ा थोड़ा इधर उधर दिख जाएगा. एंड फ्रॉम हियर वी आर एंटरिंग Sela Pass. Let's go then. Just look how pretty this is. Located at an altitude of around 13,700 feet above sea level, Sela Pass is one of the highest motorable mountain passes in India. So yeah, about to climb up now. जिसमें मेरी पकने वाली है थोड़ी सी, मुझे लगता है पता चल इतना दिन जमस करके क्या होता है. Then from here we left for Jang Falls. So before reaching Jang Falls, we have stopped here to see what Let me show you. Frozen waterfall. Then we left for Jang and we are heading for lunch here. Had lunch at this hotel. Again, a chicken thali for me at rupees 370 here. Now we have reached Jang Falls. Yeah, it's that पानी कम है, हमारे पास स्नो भी नहीं है, ठंडी भी थोड़ी सी कम ही है. But my luck genuinely peaked here. That's a rainbow. We clicked some pictures, enjoyed the view, and also spotted what civic sense in India looks like. I mean, why, man? Why do you need to do this? We got a little sick on the way, some acidity issues. Me and my forever health issues, something had to come up. But now we are back. I got freshened up and everything. Now I'm feeling better. So yeah, that was about all the roaming around for today. We checked into this homestay called Himalayan Nest. So that was all about today. अभी मेरा माइक का चार्ज भी खत्म हो गया है. Now we are going to jam little bit together, all of us. And that was all for today. We'll see you soon in part. It's freezing cold. If I tell you the story that we heard from the soldiers, racist comment pass करते हैं आके लोगों को, कुछ सीखो. So until then, bye bye.